Hello everyone. Finally, good evening to everyone, and thank you so much for your love, for your support, and for your guidance. Uh, After a very long time, it took us a lot of time for all of you. You have always been with me. Your blessings, your support has always been with me in this life, and I really thank you so much from the depth of my heart. अच्छा लगता है. Okay, so before we begin, just a frank opinion. I got almost 13,000 questions from all of you. I cannot answer the all 13,000, but yes, I have narrowed down a couple of questions जिनको मैं आपके साथ we'll discuss. I'll let you know your questions, main questions, so that you're also aware and you are happy with the answers you were looking for. So basically, out of all the questions, I've divided I will be answering these questions in 3 different phases. Initially, we will begin with motivation and youth guidance. So a couple of you have asked me who is my role model. Well, role model for me, I don't have any one role model. Single role model से मेरा अब तक काम चला नहीं है. So I have multiple role models in different genres, different activities, different spheres of life. जैसे you all are aware of our favorite, our very close, the best Nepali mountaineer Nimstai, whom we lost. He was my role model, and I am very much impressed. I liked his grit, his determination, his motivation, and the hard work he have done to achieve his goals. That was really very appreciating, gave me a motivation. Also, in the field of football, as you can say, David Beckham, Cristiano Ronaldo, Lionel Messi, all these are just superb role models for me. So I have different role models in different spheres of the world. Yep. Next question is, what keeps me going every day? So my dreams keep me going. The dreams I've always dreamt of, I want to achieve those dreams. And the motivation to reach and get that success has always kept me going through my ups and downs in my life. Some of you have asked me this question, that I should advise young youth or defense aspirants. Well, it's good to know that people are volunteering, opting for the defense services, the uniformed forces, I would say, the entire country. And I would just recommend all of you to do not give up. If you have thought of something, prepare for the one final day when you'll give that exam. You have full confidence when you go for the interviews or the services selection board, SSBs. You are fully prepared and you don't have to think कि मुझे नहीं आता या मैं nervous हो गया हूँ. All the best to you guys. Since a lot of requests on this particular aspect was there, so मैंने decide किया है कि maybe I'll think over it and we can come back with a small live sessions where I can actually tell specific points for the young budding aspirants, people not only in the defense forces but also in the corporate world. They face a lot of stress. They also need a lot of motivation. So I can share my views. हम लोग उस पे plan कर सकते हैं maybe in the near future for all of you. Yeah, next question जो मुझसे पूछा गया था, it was how do I keep myself motivated? जैसे मैंने बताया, like I just mentioned to you that the dreams and the desire to achieve those dreams has always kept me motivated. मेरी life में, yes, there have been numerous times जहाँ पे I felt like giving up, but giving up was not easy. It was not my choice. I always thought कि आज नहीं, कल. Tomorrow I will give up, but not today, and that is how I kept myself motivated and went through the entire process. Let's come down to the second phase of my army journey and my career. So इसमें सबसे पहला and the first question, the most favorite of all of you is why did I join army? Well, or who motivated me to join army? As a child, I've always studied in army public school, and since my childhood, I've always been surrounded with the people in uniform. I always loved them. I always appreciated their work, and I loved the atmosphere they always produced around me. That was the one and the main reason that I thought one day I will join the Indian Armed Forces. Although I wanted to be an Air Force pilot, but as luck would say, it was God's plan. Ki I am in the army. I'm not flying the engines, but I'm still flying with the parachute in the air. Next, let's go to the next question. Was one lesson from from my military career that everyone should learn? I would say do not give up is what I've learned from my entire service. 3 years in India, 1 year in IMA, and then 8 years of service. 12 years I've given in this organization, in this field. And the best thing that I've realized is do not give up. When things go hard, चीज़ें मुश्किल हो जाती हैं, you feel like giving up, that अब नहीं और नहीं, उस वक्त बस एक ही चीज़ सोचना है कि आज नहीं, कल करेंगे give up. We will give up tomorrow, and that is how I've survived through all the ups and downs, the lows of my life, everything. So my advice personally for everyone, do not give up in your life. That is the best lesson the organization have taught me. Second is the stress and motivation in the army. How did I handle it? I would say not only in the army, but in all spheres of the life. We all undergo different types of stress. We all need that motivation to sail through that stress. So इस सब में I always thought of my parents and my dreams. My dreams have never let me go down, or they have not let me accept to give up. And that is how I've kept myself motivated in all my stresses. Personal example, I would say during my NDA days, a non-Fauji kid I was when I joined the NDA, and it was all new. Life was difficult now, and इतना सब होने के बाद बहुत बार दिल में आता था कि गलत तो नहीं आ गया, गलत डिसीजन तो नहीं ले लिया. बट देन एक बच्चे ने ड्रीम लिया था कभी, when I was a young child, I dreamt of wearing that uniform, and बस वही ड्रीम के पीछे लड़ते लड़ते where I am. I've always dreamt of wearing this uniform. I wore this uniform, and I'm very proud of myself. Thanks to my parents जिन्होंने मुझे सिखाया, my instructors, my teachers, and everyone who have helped me throughout my career. Thank you so much. One question which was very, very common was how to increase stamina and strength. Well, it's a continuous thing. If you think that aaj karenge and then tomorrow we will be able to achieve it, you won't be, guys. So it's all prepare, train and practice. Continuous practice, training, preparation will help you build your stamina, will help you build your strength, which will be used physically and mentally both. One very unique question which I found was, किसी ने मुझसे पूछा था, does courage exist without fear? I liked that question very much. Courage exists without fear. I would say no. Courage will not exist without fear, because वो डर ही है जो आपको हिम्मत देता है उस डर को हटा के आगे जाने की. सभी की लाइफ में, आप सभी की लाइफ में there have been many instances. I am sure there would have been many instances जहाँ पे you would have thought कि अब नहीं, अब डर लग रहा है, फेलियर होगा, मैं वापस जाके अपने फ्रेंड्स, अपने फैमिलीज़ को क्या बोलूँगा, क्या कहूँगा. सो वो फेलियर, वो फियर की वजह से you've got that courage, जहाँ पे you've been able to sail through that fear, and that is the answer to that question कि courage does not exist without fear. Now the favorite part I think most of you would be waiting for is my personal and future life. First question I will address here is, what are your future plans? Somebody asked me, I think a couple thousand of people have asked me, what are my future plans? Well, मैं आप सभी को clear कर देता हूँ. I'm not planning to leave India. There have been couple of rumors going on around the internet that I'm planning to leave India. I have left army to go abroad and settle down. No, that is not the case. I'm not planning to leave India. I will be here contributing to our nation together along with you, and that is my future plan. As of now, nothing specific is there, but as soon as it comes, I'm definitely sure आप सभी को पता चल ही जाएगा. Second question is, why did you leave the forces? ये सबसे ज़्यादा पूछा गया क्वेश्चन है मुझसे. Why did I leave the army? As a child, you know, I always dreamt of wearing the uniform. I never thought that ever in my life I will give up, or I will, you know, put down the uniform. I will leave the army and go do something else. I never thought of. But हर किसी की life में there come situations, there come instances which change your life forever. So it was because of some personal reasons and because of some family reasons कि मुझे I chose to leave the organization. But I think I'm happy. Whatever I've achieved so far, I'm content with this, and with all your support and with all of your blessings, the next phase of my life will be more successful, or maybe equally good as what I've done today. I really appreciate and I really thank all of you for this support which you have given me throughout my time here. Yep. So next question is, are you married? So there are a lot of news going on around which people keep on asking me, my close ones, my people from outside, that am I married? No, I'm not married. That I have a girlfriend? No, I don't have a girlfriend. That I will be marrying soon. There was a news which came up that मैं India छोड़ रहा हूँ because I'm planning to get married to a foreigner, and that is why I'm leaving the organization and the country. I'm sorry guys, this is not the case. I am not going to marry any foreigner, and there are no marriage plans in the near future. अगर हुआ भी, so you all will come to know. That is my promise to all of you. But as of now, no, that's not the case. Who gives you strength when you feel low? This was a very nice question actually. Strength for me. My strength comes from my parents, from my teachers, from my instructors, from my seniors, my subordinates, and my dreams. मेरे dreams मुझे हमेशा strength देते हैं. I'm sure आप सभी भी, you know, you guys always dream. Do not give up dreaming, guys. Please, you should not ever give up dreaming. एक dream आपने लिया. Once you achieve that dream, do not stop. Dreams हर किसी की age में at a certain point dreams may change. आज when you were a child, you might think कि मुझे ये पसंद है, मैं ये करना चाहता हूँ या करना चाहती हूँ. But once you achieve it, maybe you grow older, you like something else, you would want to do something else. Your dream may change. But do not ever stop dreaming, because if you stop, your life will be stagnant. You will not compete with yourself. You will not bring out the best in you. Okay. Next question जो मुझे पूछा गया था was, are you happy? Do you think it's enough now? Sorry. It is not enough for me. Yes, I am happy. As I said, I am happy for the life I've lived, and yes, for the life which is coming ahead. I accept the challenge. That is what I've been taught and brought up with, accepting the challenge and living to the fullest of the challenge. So very, very, very common question was meetups. क्या meetups plan किए जाएंगे? Will they ever be planned? Yes, guys. Yes, we will plan meetups soon, maybe in the near future. We will organize an event where I would request all of you to come. Whosoever can come, please come. We can sit, we can talk. I can share my personal experiences with all of you. You can ask me questions. You can share your personal experiences. Yep. Yeah, 16th of August, and we had our Independence Day yesterday. I'm sorry, this live would have been better अगर मैं कल आता. But on behalf of me, I wish all of you a very, very happy Independence Day. Let's work together to take our country to higher levels in the future. We should work together. Also, a lot of birthdays are, on 16th of August. One is very common and known, you all might be aware of, Saurabh Nair. He was with me. He's still there without me. And to all other people, jin ka bhi birthday hai, all of you who have their birthdays today, I wish you all the very best. I wish you the best of the best birthday. I pray to God that they fulfill all your dreams, they take care of you, they take care of your family, and may you all achieve success, whatever you thought of ever achieving. Yeah, so this was it, guys. I think out of those 13,000 questions which I had got, I narrowed down to a couple of these questions, and I'm happy that I was able to answer. एक चीज़ और I would like to clarify to everyone is that there are a couple of rumors or stories about me going on across the internet. I request people not to support the news which is not confirmed. And if you have questions, this is my official account. This is all the information will be posted here, and the information which is posted here is legitimate. I validate it. So do not consider the information outside of this, because agar aisa kuch hai, you can every time come up and ask. I would be happy to answer. Thank you so much. Thank you all of you for coming live, watching me. I was happy that I spoke to you for the first time, and yes, we will plan good things in the future where I can share my experience to all of you, and you can come up with your questions, your doubts, and the guidance you need. I would be happy to help you all achieve your dreams. And if ever we get to meet, do come up. We'll definitely have a cup of coffee, all of us together. Thank you, everyone. Thank you so much. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.